Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We are in the Dacia 2013 and we noticed that the car key won't go or turn in the ignition. To solve this problem, we bought a WD-40 lubricant spray and we applied into the ignition and then on the key blade. Then we put the key into ignition and turn it a couple of times to lubricate the ignition parts, and that's it. You can find WD-40 lubricant spray in the video description below. You can try this method on other car models like Volkswagen, Skoda, Audi, Seat and many others. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.